Hello. Hello. Welcome back sa aking BL. Sa BL. So, we're gonna talk about? So, ang ating istorya ay Hanawanukoy no Musubita.
Kanawanu.
Hanawanukoy.
Musubi.
Parit, ano to ba? 3 books to. Yung isang, yung unang book, hindi siya connected dito sa second book.
So your second book lang yung
Oo. Maganda din yung first book, which it is titled Kay Ito no Shiko Yuyo. Pero, wala sa recommend. It's okay.
It's just that you don't recommend it.
It's not like wow for me.
Oh,
Pero maganda din. So, ang istorya nito, summary. Ito, Kamisawa Kaoru can see and cut not just the red thread of fate, but any of the many threads which bind people to each other in varying forms. He uses this ability to run a business where he gets rid of pesky relationships for others. Ironically, Kamisawa himself has no red thread, and therefore is forever fated to watch his lovers find their destined one and leave him behind. He thought he had long since come to terms with this harsh reality until the day when a man named Hara comes to him for help getting rid of a stalker. So, as to mention ito, makakita siya ng red string. Na any string. Every string actually. So, he turned it into a business. Yung sa first book, naging kliyente niya yung bida. So, yung uke, naging kliyente niya. Yung uke, nakakita niyo yung red string. Pero yung red string na nakakita niya. Oo. Okay. Si Kaoru, all strings. Oo. Tapos ngayon, since business niya, may website siya na he advertises that he can cut connections with other people. So, yung nung nagkakilala sila nung ni Hara, the story is, meron siya babaeng stalker, anak ng boss ni Hara. Okay. So, syempre, hindi niya basta-basta ma-disregard kasi, kasi anak ng boss. So, sabi niya, last resort niya na sigaw. Siyempre, magdududa ka kung totoo ba yun o hindi. So, sabi niya, we can meet up, we can do it right now. Kasi nasa kabilang table yung babae.
Alam ni Hara. Ni Kaoru, nakikita niya.
Nakita niya na yung connected. And then, sinabi rin sa kanya ni Hara na, sabi niya, now? Sabi ni Hara, gawin na now? Sabi niya, I can clearly see it. Sabi niya, nasaan yung babae nandito dun, di ba? Sabi niya gano'n. So, nandun yung babae.
So, hindi alam nung
Ha?
Hindi alam nung main.
Alam niya rin. Makita sa kabilang table lang eh.
Kung talagang sinusundan siya.
Oo, stalking nga eh. Stalking
wala.
Oo. So, ang dami, nandito sa may balikat niya yung hinahanap niya.
Na line.
Oo. Sabi, I'll just look for the correct one. So there are many kinds of strings, sabi niya ganyan. But, of course, the most famous one is the red string that's on your pinky. It's always in the pinky, either left or right.
I see. Pero pinky lagi. Anong kulay pag stalker?
Green yung nakita niya.
Green, okay. Kasi yun yung nakakonect sa atin ng doon. Okay.
So, he cut it, sabi niya, we might, kasi nung pagkakat niya, tumayo yung ate at umalis. Sabi niya, we won't really know if it's effective, but kasi may chances na kumonekta again yung string eh.
Talaga?
Kasi yun yung nangyari doon sa first story na
reconnect.
Oo, pinakat niya yung red string niya doon sa lalaki. Kasi nga, meron siyang crush eh. Basta pinakat niya.
Nag-reconnect.
Oo. Sabi ni Kaoru na it will reconnect if the feelings are really strong enough with each other.
Really, that's
Oo. It will reconnect still. Sabi niya ganun. So,
So parang maganda din palang test yan to prove if you're meant to be together talaga.
mm
Kasi if it's reconnected, it means it's really that. Kayo talaga.
Hindi, tsaka ano din eh, yung feelings mo for each other.
Kaya nga.
Let's say, for example, kinat siya, pero hindi nyo naman talaga ganun kamahal yung isa't isa.
So, diba na?
mm,
Yun nga yung point ko. So, it's a good test pala to know if you're really okay to be with that person, no?
So, and then yung story niya is, ano nga, sabi niya na, since we don't know yet, let's meet next week
to check.
And then,
At least
you
meron
can
siya.
pay me
Half then. So, at least meron siyang guarantee.
Oo.
Money back guarantee.
So, yun. 1 week pa, kita ulit sila. Tapos, ang lolo mo, si Hara, nag-confess.
Na may gusto siya kay ano?
Dapat first night. Yeah, it's been a week and I can't stop thinking about it. Ganyan.
Okay. Pero wala na talaga yung stalker strain.
Oo, wala na.
Okay.
How by the side? Okay, so yun. Na-realize sabi niya na, I don't do relationships. So if you want, pwede tayo maging sex buddies. Ganyan.
Okay.
But,
What? In an offer?
kasi sabi niya, sa isip-isip niya, siguro kapag in-offer ako to ng sex buddies, kung, mata-turn off to.
Tapos lalagay.
Oo, lalayan siya. Eh, hindi ganun yung
Nag-agree.
nangyari. Nag-agree. So, nung dumiretso sila sa hotel, tapos, ang nangyari is, nagbigay siya ng rules na, you don't call me, I will call you. You don't contact me at all. I'll be the one contacting you. No sleepovers. As soon as we're done, you leave. Ganon.
Okay.
Parang ganon. Parang talagang kasi sabi niya, if he has feelings for this person, if he falls in love with this person, he's bound to find his fated partner.
Ay, so parang gano'n yung mga past na pag na-inlove
Oo.
yung tao, nahanap nila yung partner nila.
Unang na-inlove, ang storya, unang person na na-inlove siya, high school yata siya, turned out, fated ng kapatid niya.
Ay, sakit.
Ng kuya niya.
Okay.
And then yung second person na na-inlove siya, fated ng isang stranger. So, syempre, inuwanan siya. Third person, same. Fourth person, same.
So, maraming ulit na. So,
Oo. So, hindi lang siya basta nangyari na. Oo. So, medyo, talagang
worry na siya na mauulit.
Oo.
Okay.
So, yun, sabi niya na, so, after nung may nangyari sa kanila that night, he did not contact him for 2 months.
2 months talaga? Grabe.
Pero,
tapos?
Sabi niya, it's not working kasi nakipagkita siya sa iba within that 2 months. Pero,
wala.
He doesn't feel satisfied, ganyan, wala talaga. Then, nung that night, kinontak niya na. And syempre, may nangyari sa kanila, ganyan. And then, after that, he decided na, whatever, just go with it. And then, they were with each other for quite a while. Mga ilang buwan din yata. Tapos, he felt himself falling in love. And then, yung na-realize sa sarili niya na, I have to end this. Ganyan. Kasi nga may hurt lang siya in the end.
Yun yung in-expect niya.
Oo. Kasi, ilang beses na nangyari eh. So, yeah, it's bound to happen anyway. So, it's better that I end it early.
Bago pa lumala.
Oo. And then, like cheese on the water. Tapos, meron siyang palang kakambal. Sabi niya, in their family, twins run. One gets the ability, the other continues the line.
I don't get it.
So, kakambal niya lalaki din.
Oh.
So,
so yung isa may ability, isa siya yung
kukunti niya ng line. Oo.
Parang
Kasi-
kasi expect niya na talaga na hindi siya magkakaroon ng
Hindi, kasi
partner.
wala talaga siyang string na red string eh. So, wala siyang fitted at all.
At least yun yung ano niya.
Hindi, wala siyang fitted at all.
So, ibig sabihin, pagkapakanak mo, may red string ka na agad.
Oo.
Hindi pa lang siya nakakonekta.
Oo, hindi siya nakakonekta.
Okay. So, siya wala talaga no?
Wala talaga siyang red string.
Gets.
Blanco ang kanyang ring finger. So, usually, sabi naman ng kapatid niya, nowadays people are not really able to
Into,
find,
no.
hindi able to find their fated at all. So, they just fall in love with someone else and then, they live happily, blah, 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 ganyan. Pero kasi siyempre, sabi niya, kapag ka itong taong to, minahal ko,
Natatakot siya na mawawala.
they're bound to find their fated. So, yun yung ano niya. So,
Dahil nga wala naman siyang faith.
oo. So, sabi niya, parang kasi ang naging niya, cause and effect. Pag minahal ko to, mahahalap yung fated niya. Lilitaw yung fated niya. Yun yung ano niya.
Expectation.
Oo. So, ngayon, nag-aya siya ng date. Excited na siya sa sarili niya na ikakat niya na yung relationship. Nag-aya siya ng date. They went on a date. They were happy, blah, 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 ganyan. Tapos, sabi niya, pumayag na siya maging in a relationship with Hara. Sabi ni Kauro, okay, let's do it. And let's give it a go. Ganyan. And then, after that night, he disappeared.
So parang
Gusto niya makita, parang sa kanya, it's best that I have the good memories because at least in my memory, they love me.
yun ka na naman.
Ganon. Hindi naman.
Sad story ba yan? Sad ending yan?
Hindi.
So, sabi ko, ready ko na yung puso ko kung sad ending eh.
6 months went by.
Na naglaho siya? 6
Oo,
months?
6 months went by.
Ba't negosyo niya?
Hindi lang siya mahanap ni
Pero continue pa rin ang negosyo.
Oo.
Okay.
So, 6 months went by na hindi siya mahanap ni Tapos, coincidentally, may nag-aantay somewhere hindi mo na nakita.
Akala ko yellow.
Nakailang kain ako ng nata.
Akala ko yellow.
Nakailang kain ako ng nata.
Iwasan ko kasi akala ko pala yellow. At hindi ko matunaw. Ayan.
So, yun. So, habang may iniintay siya, nakaupo siya sa bench na ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, it's been 6 months, I miss him so much, blah, blah, blah. Where is
Sino yan?
he? Si Hara.
Sa'yo, inaarap ka talaga.
Hinahanap ko talaga.
Okay.
Tapos, may naglakad may naglakad sa harapan niya na tinawag na Kamisawasan.
Ay,
Siyempre, hindi niya siyempre alam na may kakabal pala. Di nakita niya gano'n, iba yung buhok. Pero kinaya niya, I've been looking everywhere for you, blah, 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 ganyan. Tapos tinignan niya maiging gano'n, oh, sorry, you just look like him, blah, blah. Tapos, nag-switch ng scene. Ang pangalan ni Kakambal is Kakero. Kake. Si Kauro tsaka si Kakero. Si Kakero, tinawagan niya si Kauro to go to the house kasi gusto daw siya ng twins na anak ni Kakero. So, gano'n sa niya, twins yung so, iniisip nga nito ni Kauro, sino kaya sa kambal yung mag-inherit ng ability. So, yun. Pagdating niya sa bahay ni Kakero, andun siya. Doon day talk.
Okay.
Parang sabi niya na talaga na, before pa sila maghiwalay, di ba they went on a date. Nag-shopping sila. Tapos, pumili siya ng ring.
Okay.
Pumili sila ng ring na parang bibili niya lang. Tapos, nung nakabili na siya, ang pinasuot niya, si Hara. Sinuot sa kanya din sa ring finger. So, that 6 months, nagkita sila Toto pa rin yung sincere niya. So, parang sabi nito na seems like you did not really forget me because you still went in the ring. Sabi niya, hindi, nakalimutan ko lang ba? Siyempre, excuses, ganyan. Tapos, ano yung pagkakasabi niya at the end of it, sabi niya na,
Nasa volume 1 ka pa rin, no?
oo, anong oras na ba?
10:24.
Hindi, 15 minutes pa naman eh. So, yung sabi niya na, but when I believed in the end, when I believed, in the end, this we ended up connected to someone else and we were separated. So, parang ang lungkot-lungkot niya. So, pero ang ano kasi nito ni Hara, sabi, it will never happen to me because I'll always choose you. Ano, nag-usap naman sila na, sabi niya na, if I am choosing you, ganyan na. So,
Kasi kung darap yung faith mo, parang wala.
Since may ability naman si Kauro to cut the string, sabi niya,
Cut it.
if you see my string connected with someone else, I want you to cut it. So, sabi niya, my feelings are strong enough that it will not reconnect. So, no matter how many times my string attached to someone else, cut it. Mm-mm. Tell me and cut it. Sabi. I will be parang determined. Pero hindi. Gabi ka naman. I will be determined that, parang sabi niya na, I will never let you go. Sabi niya, to hell with fate. Ganon. So, yun sabi niya, I'm sorry for disappearing, blah, 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 ganyan. So, yun na yung pinaka-ending na,
Volume 1.
oo, volume 1. And then, volume 2, ibang title.
Ulo naman niya.
Tsunai da koi kanekata no kane ekata. Diba?
Ba yan? Okay. English title.
Wala mo na nakalagay. Yeah? Ay, ano, weird. Okay, hanapin mo na lang.
Sige.
So, ang ano nito,
Ano ba mas possible naman
summary.
yung Japanese yung lalagay ko?
Summary, the
Mali ba sa
continuation.
Tingin talaga yun.
So, the continuation of Kamisawa and Hara's relationship and the rocky path they must tread before they can find true happiness with each other.
Yan ay 6 chapters din.
6 chapters din. Kasi yung extra nung isa, nung first volume, nag-journal lang sila eh.
Okay.
So, eto, they've been together for a month. They decide,
As in a relationship.
in a relationship na. They've been together for a month. They decided to live with each other.
Okay.
So they've been first time nila with each other. First time they lived together.
Yeah.
So he's very happy, ganyan. So ano lang, very lovey-dovey lang yung relationship nila, ganyan.
Yeah.
Ano lang, normal lang. So before their 1 year mark,
1 year?
no, few days before their 1 year mark. Ano pa lang to
Basta,
oo. Wala masyadong event. Ay, hindi. Nagkakilala si Hara at saka yung
unang
bida
customer?
ng yung bida ng
Oo.
unang book. Pareho pa sila ng company na. Kasi nung sa book 1, estudyante pa lang yung isa.
So ngayon, may trabaho na po.
Oo.
Okay.
Intern siya ganyan.
Okay.
Since nakakita ng string to na napagkwentuhan nila si Kaoru na nagkita sila sa train station na uy, sa train station ba sa baba ng kumpanya? Sa baba yata ng kumpanya. Yeah.
Okay.
Ganyan. So you're the one, siya pa rin sinasabi dito na, siya yung sinasabi ni Hana na, the good employee that's earnest, ganyan.
Okay.
Good worker. And then by chapter 3, bago mag 1 year nila, few days before 1 year, magkikita sila sa train station. Ngayon, Pagdating ni Kaoru sa train station, may kausap si Hara.
Okay. The Red Spring.
Kumabit yung red string.
Gusto
Doon sa
kausap niya.
kausap.
Okay.
And they just actually saw each other kasi naglalakad yung babae, natapilok yung babae.
Okay.
Tapilok yung babae.
Tinulungan niya.
Oo, tinulungan niya kasi nabali yung takong. Luckily, meron siyang dalang glue.
Okay.
Kasi, kasi may dalas daw siyang glue kasi ayusin niya yung shelf sa bahay nila.
Okay.
So, binili niya yung reason. Pampauwi.
On the way home.
Mm-mm. Tapos, alam ni Book 1 MC na ang usapan nila na
Sapat.
ikakat ni Kaoru yung string if it happens na kumapit yung string. Ngayon, nakita ni Book 1 MC. Sabi niya, are you gonna tell him ganyan na minsan? Sabi niya, yes, I will tell him, just that don't tell him first, I will do it. Sabi niya gano'n. Days passed. Hindi niya sinabi. Pero siyempre, napansin niya. Oo, siyempre, pero sa isip niya, ay napapansin ni Hara na medyo laging lutang po si Kaoru. Laging lutang ganyan, tapos hindi ko siya nag-aano before. Na siya, nawiwindang lang siya ganyan. Ang nag-iisip na siya, bakit kaya ganyan. Tapos, pagbalik niya ng office, nandun yung babae.
Okay.
Bago niyang boss.
Chef, okay.
Manager niya. Napagkwentuhan nila yun na she's really good, na she's a really capable boss. She's only 36, but she managed to become a manager at 36. At her young age. And also, she's a female, ganyan. She's really amazing. She gets her work done and she makes sure that her staff understand all the instructions, ganyan. So, all praises to si kuya mo. Tapos, si Hara. Medyo, syempre, si kuya mo, si Kaoru, medyo, lutang. Tapos, they decided to go to a weekend trip sa Hot Spring. Pagdating nila sa Hot Spring, nandun si manager. Nagbakasyon lang din yung manager mag-isa.
Okay.
Diba? Sabi ka, ito na sa... Oo.
They're bound to meet.
Oo. Yung sabi nung Book 1 MC na pag-usapan nila yun na fate does not really do anything with your emotions. But then,
it helps you lang to coordinate.
Para bang,
it ties you together yan talaga.
You will meet each other. Things will happen around you to make sure that you are together. Parang gano'n.
Because eventually,
kasi
things will come up.
Exactly. So, ganun yung
Not expected.
Ngayon, kinagabihan,
Hindi ko sinabi.
Kinagabihan, tumawag yung manager. May issues sa trabaho, kailangan nilang bumalik para magtrabaho ka na bukas sa Sunday. Umuwi silang ganyan. Tapos, sabi siya na magkakaroon siya ng business trip.
Alis na naman siya.
Oo, mag-business trip si Hara. Isang kasama niya, yung manager. Ngayon, pagdating nila sa hotel, hindi nag-go through yung booking nila. Isang room lang kami na. So, yun na siya napaisip.
Why is this happening like this?
Oo, napaisip na siya na, na-realize siya na baka Tinawagan niya si Book 1MC.
Oo, kasi alam niya na kita.
Sabi niya gano'n, has my string connected, ganyan. Hindi daw nagsumagot yung
So, alam niya na.
So sabi, nung kinagabihan, umuwi na si Hara. Sabi niya na,
Yung manager.
umuwi na si Hara. Tapos sabi niya, my string has connected, hasn't it? Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi niya, so, Book 1MC told you. Sabi, no, he did not say anything. I called him, but then, when he did not say anything, that's the answer.
Kasi kung kayo nung sabihin ko eh.
Oo, pero he didn't say anything.
Silence.
Oo.
Ayaw ko na sabihin.
Silence means yes, gano'n. Sabi niya, na, I trusted you to cut it for me. I gave you my trust, blah, 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 ganyan. Yeah, I can't do this. I'm going to stay somewhere else.
Kasi parang nagalit siya kasi parang walang tiwala sa kanya na gano'n.
Hindi sa walang tiwala. Pinagkatiwalaan niya.
Ibig sabihin, parang walang tiwala kung itong isa na ito yung gusto ko talaga mangyari.
In a way, yes. Oo. Pero sabi niya, nung nagkausap sila ni Book 1MC, sabi niya na I left the house kasi ayaw niya na every time na magkikita sila, nakatingin si Kaoru sa red screen.
Ba't ako kasi hindi ka at arte-arte?
Kaya hindi kasi ito paliwanag ni Kaoru. Sabi niya, I didn't cut it because what if we break up?
Oh.
So, ang ano niya, pag nag-break up kami, gusto ko man daw sana, he's happy with his fated. So, kahit na parang sa kanya,
kasi
as long as
don't cut it, they're gonna meet.
Oo, parang gano'n na. So, ang kanya, hanggat hindi siya tinatapon itong isa, di ba? Medyo frustrating yung partner. Hanggat hindi siya tinatapon itong isa, he's not gonna cut it.
Nakakaloka.
Oo, nakakaloka nga. He's not really gonna do anything. Yun nga. O, yun nga sabi niya. Asa lang ngayon?
Maganda tayo time to make kwento. The other one.
Ano the other one?
10:13.
So, ayun yan, sabi niya. Sabi niya kay ito sabi, yes na ngayon. Even if your string connects to someone else, just continue to always loving you. Sabi niya gano'n. So, no matter what happens, I know I will never stop loving you, sabi ni Hana. But, I want a little time to think about this myself. So, sabi niya, so, nag-umalis nga siya ganyan.
Si Harry umalis?
Oo.
Hindi na frustrate. Kahit ako frustrate eh. Ito yung sinabi ko sa'yo eh.
Oo, yun nga yung nakaka-frustrate.
Sana wala na kami
talaga. Oo, hindi na kami lagi nagkikita ganyan. So, tinawagan niya si Kaoru. Nandun siya sa hotel. Si Hara. Sabi ni Hara, I'm giving you 2 days. So, 2 days, when that day ends, hindi ko may binagay siya, when that day ends, the deadline, if you really love me, come here to cut it. So, I'll wait for you here. Ganyan. No matter what, I'll wait for you. Something like that. I mean, what if I don't come? I mean, and if I don't go, I'll be waiting. So, bilaban niya gano'n. Hindi siya tapos nasanabi lang si Hara. Tapos, andun ba naman yung manager? Created talaga sila. Created yun nga eh. Sabi niya, we seem to keep running into each other. What brings you here? I was having dinner upstairs in the restaurant. I was having in the upstairs restaurant. So, sabi niya ganun. Tapos sabi,
okay, just making sure.
And so, until midnight, hindi talaga siya pumunta.
Okay.
So, nag-wait lang dun talaga si Hara. Andun lang nakaupo si Hara sa lobby.
Yung manager ba?
Umalis din eventually. Kasi sabi niya, it's okay, bro. Tapos, sabi niya, nung nasa bahay pa si Kao, sabi niya, okay, I need to pack my things.
Alis na naman siya.
Alis na siya kasi nga daw, parang it's their time to break up.
niya na naman.
Oo, it's their time to break up kasi nga
Oo,
hindi siya nagpunta doon to cut the strings. Tapos, inakita niya yung jacket ni Hara. Niyakap niya gano'n yung jacket niya. Minaran daw siya sa bulsa.
mm. Big.
Sing-sing. Pinky rings. Kulit sila.
Hindi niya rin string of faith.
Oh. Cute, diba? So,
Pero hindi mo pula.
syempre, ito, ang nakasulat, Kumizoni and Kaoru. Kumizori yung pangalan ni Hara. Red pinky rings. So, I wanted him to be happy. So, yun.
May mali naman kasi siya.
Mali naman talaga siya. So, sabi niya, that's
Kasi
why
harap yung
I
his
had,
already.
I wanted him to become happier than anyone else. That's why I had prepared myself until his destined partner appeared. I had been prepared to let go of his hand at any moment, but it was wrong. I went about it all wrong. I shouldn't have prepared to wish for his happiness, while letting go of his hand. Instead, I should have been determined to be happy together. Kasi yun yung nakasulat. Let's seek happiness together. So yun,
Isang part na dumi yan.
yung part na yun.
Okay.
Oo, tapos,
So eventually dumating siya sa hotel.
eventually dumating siya. So yun, sabi niya, I thought you wouldn't come anymore. Sabi niya, I've decided I won't refuse to cut the strings anymore. Harasan, I will be the one to give you happiness. Harasan is mine. I won't hand you over to anyone else. Sabi ganyan. So, umuwi sila, nag-jojo sila ganyan.
Kinat niya yung string. Hintay ko yun eh.
Kinat niya, pero hindi pinakita. So, ano lang siya, tuwa lang siya na nakatingin siya sa red pinky ring. Sabi niya ganun. So,
Nakakatuwa talaga yung ganyang mukha sa manga.
So, you and I now have the same feelings. It's partly my fault as well. We weren't able to properly talk through it together.
Eh kasi naman eh.
Pero kasalanan talaga ni Kauro. As in, sabi niya na, even if you disappear, I will find you. I will not stop looking for you. Sabi niya ganyan.
Hindi ginawa ni Haru. 6 months.
Oo. So, yun yung pinaka-ending.
Okay.
Ito sabi nga nung comment to. Kaoru, so naive of you to think he would easily give up.
Oh.
Hara continued loving and finding you for half a year while you two weren't even in an official
Oo.
relationship.
Paano pa kaya
So, what more unofficial one? So,
Kasi determined talaga si Haru.
Hara.
Alam niya yung gusto niya eh.
So, yun nga ang maganda sa story is never really, they really decided Hara really decided to choose, to ignore fate. Like with some other
Yung ibang
Megaverse, to hell with fate, I'll choose my own destiny, ganyan, diba? So, yun na, maganda siya.
It's actually
May parts na nakakaiyak, pero it's good.
No,
Nakakainis lang talaga
this is long na. Hindi ko alam kung dito ko didugtong yung argument natin. Doon sa isa o sa ibang shorter ones na lang.
Pero short
Pag nagkaroon tayo ng short ones. Sige, for now, bye.
Guys, so far, and that's it. Bye.